here, and you can have it, you can see both at the same time. But on your Google drawing, like I said, I've already done a couple of them for you. So there's the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. And then you are going to draw the next one yourself. So if you chose this map, the Nile River, it's not going to highlight on this screen. I don't know if you guys can see the mouse pointer, but it's right here. So what you will do is click on your pin icon up here, click on line, and if you go down to scribble, that's what you need to be on. So you see Lower Egypt and the Nile River right here. It looks like it's got these like a triangle coming off of it. So you're going to go over here. The screen is lagging a little bit. And draw. I already drew like the Nile Delta, which is what that triangle thing is. We'll talk about that later. And draw the Nile River. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a little jagged line is okay. And then I'm going to go up here and make sure that it's blue. And then I'm going to grab a text box right here.
Well, that's cool.
Put it in there. And just do Nile River. So now you guys actually, we just did that together. So that's fine. You actually had the first several things already done for you. You just have to figure out which river is which. So which one is the Tigris and which one is the Euphrates, and you can find that out on your map. Okay, so number 2, label and color. You don't need to color anything because I've already colored it for you. So you only need to label the Persian Gulf, the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, and the Caspian Sea. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big blue blobs or whatever on the map. So those are obviously the bodies of water. So in order to label them, like for example, if you're looking over here on the right, you see the Persian, can you guys see the Persian Gulf right here? So you're going to come over here, insert a text box, like I just showed you a second ago, and type Persian Gulf. So those first several things are done for you. The only thing that you need to, hang on one second, Hannah, the only thing that you need to actually quote unquote color is it says color the area of the Fertile Crescent. Okay, what I'm going to do for that is just the same thing with the pen. That's a highlighter. With this scribble, I'm just going to use a different color. And you don't make this more complicated than it has to be. All you need to do is just like lines like this, draw the Fertile Crescent or whatever. That's all you have to do is just like one big scribbly line or whatever is fine. And I'm going to color it like green because it's green on the other map. That's all you have to do for the Fertile Crescent. So if you do it green, then I know what it is. If you do it a different color, label it Fertile Crescent with words. Draw, label, and color these 3 mountain ranges. All you need to do to draw it is just draw little triangles. Just little lines like that is fine. And then you're going to do text box. It's a mountain range. So let's see over here. It is the Taurus Mountains. I don't know if you guys can see my little pointer on the second screen. But Taurus Mountains. So you just type mountains. So that's, hang on one sec. That is the extent of that activity. Everything on here, label, color, draw. I just showed you guys how to do all that. And then you use a map from Google or wherever you choose. Questions? Let's see, who just
Miss Collins?
Uh-huh.
Just that Um,